Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP. Once again, thank you for your continued support. Okay, really do appreciate it. Thank you for the sharing is caring. Everything you do, the likes, the shares, the comments. I see them all and I do try to reply to them all, but as you can imagine, I'm extremely busy, okay? But just thank you. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. So right now you can see XRP is doing relatively well, isn't it? But it's kind of hovering around. It's like it's waiting for something. And that something, obviously, as you're fully aware, is Bitcoin. Now, everyone's anticipating a breakdown for Bitcoin, okay? And obviously it could break down, and if it does break down, then nothing is exempt from that, and you would be looking for Bitcoin to enter sort of a bit of a downtrend. It is in a downtrend effectively. One thing you do need to see is it break the 4-hour 55 EMA. There is a Bitcoin update today about how important that is, because if it does break that, there's a couple more confluencing factors that we may break to the upside. A lot of people are expecting the break to the downside, but CoinsKid is remaining positive, as you're fully aware, for a break to the upside. Okay, we was always going to be transparent with you. Hopefully, it is all hope as well. You do know that, and like, no one's got a crystal ball. We just say what we see, and obviously you're fully aware that we had this ABC correction, and hopefully right now we are starting to paint the reversal patterns on these ABC corrections, and we're going to get the continuation of this bull run and get the correction over and done with for crypto. But you've always got to anticipate the worst, obviously, as well, and be prepared for that. So if shorting's your game, then obviously if you lose support, you go short effectively on either your projects. Okay, not financial advice, but there are opportunities when the market's going down, and there are opportunities when the market's going up. So yeah, if Bitcoin does lose that particular level of support right there, then yeah, go short obviously, but hopefully it doesn't get that. And we are starting to see a couple of indicators right now that are saying, you know, potentially we're looking to break out to the upside, and one of those key indicators is Bitcoin on the 4-hourly time frame above the 55. You can get above it and backtest the support. Wow, you could be looking at a massive breakout for Bitcoin over the next sort of few days here, because a breakout is imminent. Okay, it is imminent because it's coming closer and closer to the apex of that horizontal. A lot of people are saying it's a bear flag. Just like I've shown you in the Bitcoin videos as well. If you do watch the Bitcoin videos, then you'll be fully aware that I have seen that pattern play out before, and it went against the grain of what everyone thought it was, and actually broke to the upside. Okay, so let's hope we get that break to the upside and continuation is born, because XRP is showing strength. It's showing a nice recovery. You're above the 20 on the weekly, okay, which is really important. Like I said to you, if you can remain above the 20 weekly EMA, backtest of support, what do? You go up effectively because you're in an uptrend, and the confirmation is on any time frame when you're above the 20 EMA. Okay, firstly, obviously, like Bitcoin, you need to get above the 55, and when you get above that and then you get back above the 20, you create the bullish cross on the 4-hourly. On any time frame, you're above the 20. It's so important, okay, because like when you're in between, you're crabbing, you're going sideways, consolidating, boring sideways chop. When you're underneath, you're in a downtrend, and obviously when you're above, you're in an uptrend, and it really is that. It's simple. So the EMAs play an important part. Okay, so yeah, just diving into XRP again then, so you can see that it is doing relatively well. We are getting a bit of pickup, but you are hitting your head on that resistance that we've told you about on the 8-hourly time frame for XRP here. Just going to show you. So on the 8-hourly time frame, we're targeting this W double bottom, okay, and you can see that it's sort of toying with it, isn't it? It's toying with us. Effectively, it just needs to get up. It's being relatively well supported by the 20 EMA on the 4-hourly time frame, but don't forget you've got the bearish cross. So right now you're under the EMA, you're in a bit of a downtrend, and it, like I said to you, you're below the EMAs, you're in a downtrend. You between them, look, you're going sideways, and if you get above, boom, you're off to the races. So what you do need to see is the break here on the 8-hourly time frame for XRP, and this could come with the break of Bitcoin. It's like it's waiting now, isn't it, for that break from Bitcoin. If Bitcoin just explodes, just take a look at XRP, it'll be exploding as well. You would have seen the reversal pattern complete, the breakout of the 105 on the 8-hour, back above the 55 EMA on the 8-hour as well, continuation up to that target there, boom, full steam ahead in this bull run for Bitcoin and cryptos. And just like I said, hopefully in May, sell and go away. In June, the boom will resume, and in July we will fly. There's a lot of projects out there looking relatively strong and painting relatively decent reversal patterns right now. So hopefully the market has kind of bottomed out and reversed, and there's a lot more confidence back in the market. There is a stimulus check, obviously, that you're fully aware. So there is a bit more liquidity to come into the markets. So yeah, watch this space. Fingers crossed, everybody. This is it. We've had the correction, and we have found the end of the C wave right here, which we've spoken to you about numerous times and made you fully aware of. And we've got the ABC correction out the way. So fingers crossed, it's all golden. Continuation of the wave theory right here for XRP as well. So fingers crossed. That's all I could keep saying, fingers crossed, isn't it? But you've got to have hope, and you've got to have a projection in these markets, okay? And you know how volatile they are. So make you fully aware, if you break this level of resistance right here, expect more upside. If you lose it and start to lose the 55 EMA, the 20 EMA, sorry, on the 8 hour here, you start to roll over, then at least expect a correction down here to create a double bottom. Okay, and from there right now, you will be looking at a whopping 36% decline for XRP and most of the projects, and that is all on Bitcoin. You know, it's like everything's waiting in the wind, isn't it? And if Bitcoin does roll over and falls out of that horizontal, then yeah, the markets are going to tank, I'm afraid, and there's no avoiding that. So I'm just going to take a look at the hourly time frame for XRP and see if we can see anything. Okay, so on the hourly time frame here for XRP, you can see one of the most important things, the confluencing factor right now that we are getting these reversals, okay, is you've broken out of this level of resistance on this broadening wedge. Do you see this broadening descending wedge? Okay, you've broken out of it, and that's a major signal right there that we're getting a bit of a reversal on the cards here. Obviously, you need to see the close above 105 on the 8 hourly time frame to create that beautiful reversal pattern right there on the W double bottom, because if you do, you're going to get continuation up to $1.43 at least, because it's a reversal pattern. So if you do start to see XRP close above 105, okay, on the 8 hour, putting a lovely little long opportunity around about 35% there for XRP, where I would imagine it will run into a level of resistance and begin to consolidate before taking the next leg up. Okay, so that's a little long opportunity right there. And obviously, if you do start to see Bitcoin fall out of that horizontal, unfortunately, which it can happen, obviously, we want it to be bullish, we want to remain in this bull market, and we want to get to them price predictions, obviously, and those forecasts in the future. Everyone wants that, especially CoinsKid, okay? We want it more than anything for all of you involved in these projects. So right now, if it was to start losing the EMAs, like I said to you yesterday, do anticipate a retest of this line here as support. But I would imagine at that point, you would see the break to the downside for Bitcoin. And at that point, I would definitely look to short down to this double bottom right here. And just a retest of support down there, creating hopefully just a double bottom where we don't actually lose that support. So yeah, if you do start to see Bitcoin roll out of that horizontal, another correction, and it drags the markets with it, then do anticipate putting some cheeky bids down here on the 0.64, okay, to pick up for the double bottom retest right there. So that's basically XRP. Fingers crossed that we get the upside, okay? I'll be back tomorrow with another update, but that breakout for Bitcoin is imminent, and with that, you're going to see the break for XRP as well, whether it rolls or whether it goes up, obviously. So good luck. Let's all project positivity for the Bitcoin breakout. Take care, everyone, and be back tomorrow. Bye-bye.